Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, your 2016 government pass question. Question number 8 says the term rule of law means dash. The term rule of law means dash. A. Nobody is above the law. B. Everybody is equal before the law. C. We are being governed by lawyers. D. Supremacy of the law. The concept of rule of law was propounded by A. B. C. So, and the summary of this plus this equal to this, which is supremacy of the law. So it means that the law is supreme in the land. So that is what it means. So option D is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.